Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the today's video, we'll be talking about drag and drop action, where we will be dragging one element on the screen to another element. And in our previous videos of this particular series, we have already seen what is W3C actions, how to tap on a particular element on the screen, as well as how to swipe in different directions on the screen as well as inside an element. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vasik Bamla. I have 16 plus years of experience in testing field. On this channel, I create videos related to testing, test automation, and tips and tricks related to test automation. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is posted on this channel. So let's jump into the video. First of all, let's understand what is the drag and drop action which we'll be implementing today. So assuming this is the screen, this is the mobile screen, and there are two elements. For example, element S is a source element which we want to drag and drop on the destination element D. So what we will do, first we will identify the center of the source element, and then we will identify the center of the this destination element. So after finding those two coordinates, we will drag this element and drop it to the destination element. So basically, this gesture is exactly identical with the swipe gesture, which we have seen in our last video. So if you have not seen the last video of swipe gesture, there is an eye icon on the screen right now, which you can check it out. So basically, what we will be doing, we will be just modifying the swipe gesture, and we will be passing the starting coordinates of the center of the source element, and the ending coordinates will be the center of the destination coordinates. Rest all the gesture sequence will be exactly same. So let's quickly execute the test and see this drag gesture in action, and then we will go into the details about how to implement that gesture. So after login, we will be dragging the product item into the drops section, and then that's how the drag and drop feature works. So rest other gestures we have already seen the swipe gesture. Zoom in and zoom out will be coming to that gesture in the next video. So this is the exactly the flow which we will be looking into. Okay. So let's see how this drag happened. So this drag happened. We call this particular method, which is a drag to method from the finger gestures class. So let's go into this implementation and understand what we have done so far. So if you see, there are two parameters to this method. First is the source element, and second is the target element. So basically, first we identify the start position using the center of the source element, and then we identify the end position using the center of the target element, and we directly call this single finger swipe method, which we have already seen in our previous videos. So we won't repeat that method again. So basically what we are doing here is we are simply passing these two coordinates into this method, and this is basically doing the swipe from starting coordinates to the ending coordinates. So that's the basic flow over here. So basically the drag and drop and swipe gestures are exactly same. The only difference is that for swiping in different directions, we are identifying the coordinates which will be getting modified for that particular direction. But in the drag and drop, we know that we want to go from source element center to the target element center. So that's the basic difference over here. Let's quickly execute iOS test as well to see how this test works on iOS. Here also we can see this drag and drop gesture being executed. So that's pretty much it for this short video for drag and drop gesture. So in our next video, we will be looking into the zoom gesture, which is basically zoom in and zoom out on a particular image. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, as well as share this video with your friends, so they'll also learn something about drag and drop gesture with Appium using W3C actions. So you can check out other videos over here which I have created on this channel, which you might would like to see. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.